Taiwan has begun receiving mobile Harpoon missile launch systems from the United States, marking a significant step in its ongoing defense modernization initiative. As reported on May 2, 2025, by the Liberty Times, the island's Ministry of National Defense confirmed that 5 launch trucks and 1 radar vehicle were officially handed over in the first quarter of the year. The U.S. is expected to oversee the shipment logistics, ensuring the equipment arrives in Taiwan before the end of June. The delivery marks the initial installment of a broader purchase covering 100 launchers and 400 RGM-84L-4 Block II, Harpoon missiles, approved under a 10-year plan running from 2021 to 2030. The $86.6 billion new Taiwan dollars, roughly $2.7 billion USD, program aims to fortify Taiwan's ability to engage hostile naval targets from land. The rollout is structured in 2 stages. 32 launchers are due by the end of 2026, with the remaining 68 expected by 2028. Ancillary gear already began arriving in late 2024. To oversee the program's execution, Taiwan's military is closely collaborating with U.S. counterparts. Coordination measures include monthly Navy-led project meetings, bi-weekly updates, and semi-annual reviews, ensuring timely delivery and technical alignment with domestic production. The RGM-84L-4 Block II, is a land-launched version of the renowned Harpoon missile. The U indicates a modernized configuration with improved features. Boeing's baseline range data lists it at more than 67 nautical miles, 124 kilometers, though Taiwanese defense officials suggest their variant may exceed 148 kilometers. This increased reach is seen as critical in reinforcing Taiwan's coastal deterrence strategy. Initially developed by McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing Defense, the Harpoon missile has been in service since the late 1970s. It's designed for all-weather, long-range engagements using active radar and sea-skimming flight. The surface-launched version includes a solid booster for ground deployment. Each missile weighs over 690 kilograms, with a warhead delivering 221 kilograms of high explosive. Propelled by a Teledyne CAE J402 turbojet engine, it delivers more than 600 pounds of thrust and measures 4.6 meters in length. Modern Harpoon variants integrate GPS-assisted inertial navigation and software from Boeing's SLAM-IR missile systems. These upgrades allow the missile to operate effectively in cluttered coastal environments and navigate narrow sea lanes. Its targeting tech includes radar altimeters, secure GPS modules, and the option for mid-flight course corrections, making it suitable for both naval and nearshore engagements. Taiwan has operated Harpoon missiles for decades, using them across its Air Force and Navy. F-16 fighters, Knox-class and Kidd-class ships, and P-3C aircraft are already configured for various Harpoon versions. Though the Ching Kung-class frigates originally supported Harpoon capabilities, Taiwan has opted to focus on indigenous missile platforms like the Sung Fong 2 and 3 instead of reviving that function. The Navy's submarines and maritime patrol aircraft still retain Harpoon compatibility. The RGM-84L-4 Block II, joins a wide family of Harpoon variants, including air-launched AGM-84, submarine-launched UGM-84, and encapsulated systems. While the Block II design dates back to the early 2000s, newer iterations like Block II Plus and the extended-range Block II Plus ER have since emerged, with the latter potentially capable of reaching up to 310 kilometers, though that version is not widely deployed. Boeing's proposed Block III model was ultimately cancelled in 2009. Globally, the Harpoon has served over 30 countries and been used across multiple combat theaters. It has launched from aircraft such as the F-18, F-16, and P-8 Poseidon, from surface combatants including frigates and destroyers, and from submarines like the Type 209. Land-based variants have gained renewed attention after Denmark and Ukraine deployed them effectively in coastal defense roles. Ukrainian forces, for example, used a Harpoon missile in 2022 to sink the Russian support vessel Spazitel Vasily Bek near Snake Island. Boeing continues to manufacture Harpoon systems, bolstered by a $3.1 billion production contract signed in 2020 to supply international buyers through 2028. Countries such as India, Saudi Arabia, and South Korea remain key clients. India has installed Harpoons on both maritime patrol planes and Jaguar jets, while the U.S. Air Force recently completed software-only integration tests for the missile on F-16s. A new production facility spanning 35,000 square feet was inaugurated in 2021 to handle rising demand. Boeing and the U.S. Defense Security Cooperation Agency, DSCA, report that more than 7,500 Harpoons have been produced worldwide. Taiwan's mobile Harpoon systems are modeled on truck-based platforms once operated by Denmark and now actively used in Ukraine. These mobile coastal defense units offer greater operational flexibility and survivability in conflict scenarios, allowing for rapid repositioning and dispersed deployment. As the full system delivery unfolds over the coming years, Taiwan will closely evaluate how these assets enhance its overall maritime strike capability.